Imagine a country where the land sits below the sea, where windmills don't just decorate the horizon, they protect it. This is the Netherlands, a place where every corner feels like a painting. And what you're about to see might completely change how you see the world. So make sure to subscribe and let's begin this unforgettable journey. Fairy tale villages. There's a place in the Netherlands where roads don't exist and the only way to travel is by boat. Welcome to a fairy tale village where every house, every bridge, and every canal feels like a dream. It's peaceful, magical, and almost unreal. Now let yourself drift through one of the most beautiful villages on Earth. Tulip fields. Every spring, the Netherlands transforms into a living canvas of color, where millions of tulips bloom in perfect harmony. These vibrant fields aren't just beautiful, they represent centuries of tradition, culture, and pride. From deep reds to bright yellows, every row tells a story of nature's perfection. Now sit back and experience the breathtaking beauty of these endless tulip landscapes. Windmills. Standing tall against time, the windmills of the Netherlands are more than just iconic symbols. They are engineering marvels that helped shape the nation itself. For centuries, they have protected the land from water, turning wind into power. Today, they remain a powerful reminder of Dutch resilience and innovation. Now let the calm and timeless beauty of these historic windmills take you in. Canals and cities, Amsterdam. Flowing through the heart of the Netherlands, the canals of Amsterdam create a city like no other, where history meets modern life in perfect balance. Lined with charming houses and vibrant streets, every corner feels alive with culture and energy. Whether by boat or by bike, this city offers a unique experience at every turn. Now, explore the beauty and rhythm of Amsterdam's iconic canals.